Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to freeze column in Google Spreadsheet. So get started. At first, open your Google Sheets document. In this video, I will show freeze column. Now select from a column. Now going to the view menu option. Then click for a freeze. Now click for a up to column C. That is now already freeze column. Now check from a freeze, then move from mouse. That is then again another column freeze. Now select from a column. Now going to the view menu option, then click for a freeze option. Now click for a up to column. That is then check your freeze. That it's then I show freeze column in Google Sheets document is very easily. I hope to enjoy the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.